Here's how to see your passwords on Android. Now, first just swipe up from here and we need to get to your settings to find them. So tap on your settings app. Now within here, there are two different places that we could potentially find your passwords. The first one is most likely you have Google passwords. So from here, let's scroll down until we get to security and privacy, and then where it says more security settings. Now within here, you'll be able to find all of the passwords that are saved onto your accounts, either through Google or maybe Samsung Pass if you have a Samsung phone, or any third-party password manager. All you need to do, let me get out of there, is go down to passwords and passkeys. And you can see here, preferred service is Google in my case. So I can tap on it and it'll show Google Password Manager. I can just tap on that and it will show me all of the passwords on my Android phone. I can just open them up just by tapping on it, using my fingerprint or the face or anything like that. Oh, there we go. And then you'll be able to see the email address and the password there. Now, if that doesn't work for you, all you need to do also is just head into a web browser like Google Chrome. And from here, we're going to tap on those three dots at the top right and then go to settings. Now, the nice thing is within your Google account in Google Chrome, it also saves all of your passwords. So you'll be able to find them in here as well, just by going to Google Password Manager. And same as before, I can scroll through this list and find all of my passwords for various apps, Facebook. You can see here just my email address as well as the password. I can tap on the little I to be able to see what it is.